Now, a lot of you have been asking questions about whether a third wave is inevitable. Experts say yes, very much. So going into 2022, the pandemic isn't over yet. In our next report, we decode for you what's really expected in the third wave in India. It's expected to hit by about February 2022, but it's not going to be as severe as the second wave.
When will the third wave hit India and how bad will it be? Baffling epidemiologists for a while now. Latest projections by head of COVID Supermodel Committee Vidya Sagar and IIT Kanpur Professor Manindra Agarwal suggest the third wave may unfold by February. The projections suggest India is likely to witness around 1.5 to 1.8 lakh cases every day by the end of February. The only silver lining in all this is that this wave is likely to be less severe than the second wave driven by Delta variant. The fall in cases after hitting the peak is also expected to be quick. Projections also suggest that hospitalization will be low since a significant number of Indians will be fully vaccinated by then.
The most pessimistic scenario, which is you have totally lost any vaccine protection and the natural immunity due to prior exposure to Delta is eroding very quickly, we foresee a peak of something like 1.5 to 1.8 lakh cases per day happening somewhere towards the end of February.
Okay.
These projections are made keeping in mind the Omicron threat. In South Africa, the COVID cases, after peaking in mid-December, are seeing a sharp decline. The average daily deaths were less than 50 during the peak.
A very, very sharp peak, very quick rise followed by very sharp decline. Again, as Professor Agarwal has pointed out, we can look at South Africa as a model. They had peaked in just under 3 weeks. And now, the number of daily cases in South Africa is 33% lower than the peak. So that means a sharp drop in cases in just 1 week's time from the peak.
It is widely believed the worst of the pandemic is over for India after the second wave. But with Omicron cases rising to over 200 in the country and over 5,000 new infections being reported on Tuesday, the picture can change rather quickly. Bureau Report, India Today.